Hello and welcome again to the series of video tutorials for designing responsive websites. In our previous video we have designed a single column web page that looks good on our mobile phones, but on a larger viewport or on a larger screen size, practically this design should not be used. Either to break the content part into two portions, like 80% or few part should be assigned to the article and the few part should go with the related articles. So now we should write a CSS for a larger viewports. We'll be starting by writing the CSS for the tablets. The minimum width I am assuming for the tablet is 768 pixels. So when your browser have the pixel or the viewport of 768 pixel, then the CSS that is a specific or targeting to the tablet should be applied. So adding a new CSS file. Now here we will start by writing media queries, @media, and then screen, that is media type. I'm targeting the minimum minimum width for the tablet, assuming it should be 768 pixels. So when your browser have the screen size or the resolution of 768 pixel, this CSS would be applied. I'm giving the name for the CSS tab.css because it would be specific to the tablets. You can write the same code in this file also, but I recommend to make a separate file for tablets, mobiles and desktops. So give initial width for header and your content portion. I'm leaving 20 pixel each from the left and right portion, and the width, assigning the width to header and content part for 728 pixels. Then I want my web page to be appear at the center of the screen, so the property should be used is margin 0 auto. Then I will also use a padding property like 10 and 20 pixels. 10 pixels from top to bottom and 20 pixels from right and left. Then I'm dividing the proportion of article tag and assigning this proportion of to 80% of the available browser width. For a site, I assign the width up to 20% of browser proportion. Now in order for article and a site to be appeared side by side, we should give a same property to both, and that is float left. So by using this property, both of our portion of article and a site appear side by side. Now I should give one more property, that is margin 0 pixels, so that the distance between a site and article will be 0 pixel. So let's connect our CSS with our web page tabs.css. So here you can see your browser proportion is divided into two parts. Okay, so far looks pretty good. If you have a phone, the look and feel of the website would be a single column. If you have the tablet or the minimum tablet width, the look and feel would be changed. So far looks very good. Now we are heading towards our last part of the